Hello students, now let us see the next part of this lesson, that means cultural program. I know you all are eagerly waiting to listen the gems of music from our school. We now invite this talented band of musicians to display their talent. We proudly present the Tal Kacheri. Sahil of Standard 10th A will give a vocal rendition and the same piece will be demonstrated on different instruments. Let's enjoy the Tal Kacheri. Varsha on Mridangam, Vivek on Dholak, Zubin on Tabla and Govind on Ghatam. Let's have a big round of applause for the excellent demonstration. Different states display their unique identity through their respective culture. Standard 7C will now give a beautiful presentation of the famous Koli dance from Maharashtra. See here in which way the program went on is explained here, mainly in which manner applause is given, how the anchoring is done is clearly shown here. Now let us see the marginal questions. Who is taking part in the Tal Kacheri? Sahil of Standard 10th A, Varsha, Vivek, Zubin and Govind are taking part in the Tal Kacheri. Guess and find the meaning of Tal Kacheri. What's the meaning of Tal Kacheri? Tal Kacheri means literary, translated means rhythmic instrumental musical session. Literally translated means rhythmic instrumental musical session, that we call as Tal Kacheri. Okay. What a wonderful presentation. Now, a light comedy play will be presented by Standard 9th C. I would like to request Standard 9th artists to perform their play, The Boy Comes Home by A.A. Milne. That was indeed a fantastic performance. See, in this way, how anchoring is done is shown in this lesson. How is this vocal rendition different from music? Music is the pattern of sounds produced by people singing or playing instruments, expressing ideas or emotions. Vocal refers to music, human voice, which is singing. That's the difference between music and vocal rendition. Prize distribution. You are all eagerly waiting for the prize distribution. There are butterflies in your stomachs. You will soon be relieved of your anxiety. Everyone is unique in his or her potential. All are talented, yes, but some do perform better and their talents needs appreciated. I would now invite the chief guest to declare the prize winners and give away the prizes for the different categories of art. Thank you, sir. See here, marginal questions. Does the compare say the following at the beginning of the program or after it has ended? You have to think it. First of all, something he says beginning of the program, afterwards he says end of the program. What a wonderful presentation. What was the wonderful presentation? Wonderful presentation has been done by the students. That was indeed a fantastic performance. Really a fantastic performance. So, when students or anyone performs well, it is everyone's duty to appreciate it. See the marginal question. What is meant by butterflies in your stomachs? Butterflies in the stomach means to be anxious and nervous. Means who will win, who will lose, etc.